So in this Canadian investing tutorial, I will be showing you how to buy fractional shares in Canada using Wealthsimple. So once Wealthsimple is opened up, I want you guys to scroll down here to where there's the magnifying glass and go ahead and select that. Once you're here, you can go ahead and select a stock of your choice. So for example, you can go to search up a stock right here, or what you can also do is go to all categories right here, and you can find a bunch of different options right here. But where it's simplest is if we just go to fractional trading, select that. Once you're here, you're going to be able to view all the shares that you can buy in regards to fractional shares. So you can see all of them here: Canadian traded stocks, US traded stocks. So for this example, I'll just go Canadian traded stocks like this. And if I were to scroll down as an example, how about I select RBC or RY as an example here. So once you have your stock selected, go to the bottom left, select the account. I will use my TFSA as an example, and then I'll go to the bottom right and press buy. Once you're here, most importantly, go to the top right, make sure that market buy is selected. This will allow you to buy fractional shares. So once you're here, you can either type in the amount of shares that you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $2 worth, it'll show you how much shares, or if you wanted to type in the amount of shares, it'll show you the dollar. So I'll just go ahead here and search up 3. If this looks good to you, go ahead and press review. Then once you're here, you can go ahead and review the transaction. Most importantly here, under order type, make sure that fractional buy is selected. And if you want to go to the bottom, in my case, press key order, or you can press buy. You can then proceed to the next steps and finalize the transaction. So that's how you guys can buy fractional shares here in Canada using Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.